So I started a business with a really good friend. Long story short, that business failed. Now we quit before it got really ugly, and luckily we're still friends to this day. Had we created a roadmap or a business plan, we may never have even went into business together, or we would still be in business and avoided a lot of headaches along the way. See, the talent was there, but there was a lot of fundamental differences that we had between each other when it came to our goals and how the business should operate. Writing down goals is one of the most fundamentally important things you can do as a business owner. If you don't have a 5-year goal, it's kind of like going on a road trip and you have no destination. Now that sounds fun in theory, however, when it comes to your finances, that's an absolute disaster. Come on. Strengths and weaknesses can be found a lot easier when you have a business plan or a road. See, there's this book called the 80-20 Principle, and its main focus is that you should be focusing on the 20. That 20% is the thing you are really good at, right? It's what your creativity is. It's where you thrive. It's the thing that you do that when you're doing it, you absolutely love it. Part of growth is looking back, seeing what you did wrong and not repeating the process. Had we developed a concrete business plan and set goals in place, as well as defining our roles within the company, we would have never bickered over stupid shit. We would have just focused on the next milestone. We would have stayed within our 20% that we're good at. We would have focused on our roles and did our best to make the company grow and move forward. Maybe you're feeling stuck right now, whether that's building your own YouTube channel, creating a business, doing something that could have a goal attached to it. Take this video as motivation. Write down a 5-year goal for what it is you want to see come from the thing that you love that you're working on. Of course you're going to have fuck-ups along the way, but if you could just keep moving through those and actually grind, eventually you're going to get to a point that you look back and that 5-year goal happened 2 years ago. Of course, the one fucking day I want to record something in bed, she's washing the goddamn comforter and the pillowcases. Right? Fucking looked at the camera.